In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Canva. If your PDF is too large to email, upload, or share quickly, Canva gives you a simple way to shrink it while keeping it looking great on screens. Start by opening Canva and heading to your design. When you're ready to export, go to the top right and click Share, then choose Download. In the File Type drop-down, select PDF Standard instead of PDF Print. PDF Print is designed for high-quality professional printing and it preserves the maximum detail, which makes files big. PDF Standard is optimized for digital use, so it trims the file size without changing your layout. After you've chosen PDF Standard, click Download and let Canva process the file. The result should be a noticeably smaller PDF that's easier to send and store. A quick note on what's happening here: switching to PDF Standard reduces heavy print settings and compresses images for screen viewing. You should still see crisp text and clean graphics in most cases, especially for presentations, documents, and social posts that are meant to be viewed online. If you're preparing a print-ready version for a professional printer, you'd stick with PDF Print, but for everyday sharing, PDF Standard is the way to go. Large, photo-heavy documents and graphics with complex elements naturally produce bigger files. By exporting as PDF Standard, Canva lowers image resolution for screens and strips out some print-related data that you don't need for emailing or web use. This strikes a good balance between clarity and size, especially if your audience is viewing on laptops or phones. If your original PDF is still larger than you'd like, there's another simple approach that can help. Sometimes, re-uploading a large PDF to Canva and downloading it again triggers extra compression automatically. To try it, click Upload in Canva and add your large PDF. Once it appears in your uploads, open the file so Canva loads it like a design. Then click Share, choose Download, and select PDF Standard as your file type. Go ahead and download it. This round trip through Canva often knocks the size down further while keeping the look consistent on screen. Keep in mind that results can vary from design to design, and a small amount of softness in very detailed images is normal when compression kicks in. For final, commercial printing, keep a separate PDF print version, and use the smaller standard version for sharing drafts, approvals, and online distribution. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.